What's up, fellas? Watching along on the channel here. We're at UCC 2024. Today's Friday, drag race day, and we got that bad mamma jammer over there ready. So if you want to see what we're going to do, keep following along. This is going to be a kind of a rapid pace video, kind of in the raw of what it's like. It ain't going to be one of those foo-foo videos. So we got a lot of work to do, like, you know, kicking ass, and we got this bad boy ready. So we're going to head to the lanes. See you up there. Follow me along on the journey.
Right now?
Get in, bitches. First pass, everything goes good. It shakes the tires. Everything felt fine. Pedaled it. Oil everywhere. Well, it is what it is. My reputation follows me, just like this trail of transmission fluid off the racetrack. That's all right. We got another unit out there. We'll figure it out. I probably cracked the case because it shook the hell out of the tires. Be curious to see what that 160 was, though. 60 foot. That'd be kind of cool. Chris Patterson's back. Frequent flyer miles. In the record, 2 years in a row. You're back there. Just getting escorted back to the pits. We got to put a new transmission in it. That nitrous in second gear is a hell of a thing. I don't know how bad that wheel hop was. Bad enough the transmission said no.
It was a good hop.
It was a good hop.
It was.
I think it busted the transmission case, like actually cracked the case down the middle or something. So it's just pouring fluid right now. That's all right. We got extra transmissions. We're a Dodge diesel guy. We know how this goes. We resurrected this stupid thing again. Just another transmission for just another Dodge. But we did find some slicks. Now, I don't know who these came from. Only his name's Cody. So we got some big ones now. Be like all the cool kids out there. I mean, we haven't got bead locks and all that other fancy stuff, but we're going to take this thing out there. We're going to go in qualifying round number 2, I think. Maybe it's 3, it's 2 o'clock. We're gonna try it again. We upped our staging limiter quite a bit, so she's gonna be pretty spicy on the hit. But hopefully this time second gear actually holds. You're back in the cab. That torque converter said no more. It just didn't have any more to it. I could tell that lockup wasn't not instantaneous. And you do the second gear, the lockup torque converter clutch test where you put it second on a full manual and you lock the converter and it kills the truck. It took it a few seconds. So we decided at the starting line, this is pretty much a Hail Mary. We're just gonna see what the heck it does. Everybody showing love. Appreciate y'all. Thank y'all, everybody. Love you. So here's another shot of the gauges immediately after a pass. What do you say, man? Wave to all the peeps. Everybody loves it. Breaking transmissions all the time. We got another one, don't worry, Dyno's tomorrow. We got another one. And a motor, and a transfer case, and turbos, and injectors, and pumps, and pretty much anything else I ever think I could break is packed. Welcome back to UCC 2024. We're now on day 2. Today is Dyno day. Dynos, we all like dynos, right? So controversial. So we got this thing prepped and ready to go. We've had the transmission out now 4 times. First time, we broke the second gear band in the case, blew that whole son of a gun outside, and then we put a new trans in it with a used converter from a few passes on the other trucks. Smoked that converter clean out, put a third trans in it, and then we had a brand new pump failure. I don't know, 48 pump, like it's kind of weird, they're pretty simple, pretty stupid. It didn't work. So we swapped it out late last night, but now we're ready to go. So it's about 10 minutes till the driver's meeting. We're gonna go up there and figure out, pull cards or chips or straws or whatever the heck. I don't know, play some sort of game to figure out who goes next. We'll get a run list. We already started all of our prep. We've got the slicks up front so it looks a little bit better than the mud grips from the other years. We got the door off and the bar out for quick exit and easy escape. We got the inside dual wheels so that we can hook up on the dyno and have the least amount of rolling resistance, but still yet adhere to the dyno roller. Well, you know, the usual stuff. So the bottles are all topped off. We're gonna go to this meeting. I'll let you know what order we pull, then a time frame, we'll go from there. Stay tuned, guys. We're excited.
Did it. Good job.
What y'all say about that? Fuck yeah, brother! Say about that. I'll see y'all good.
We're back in the pits again after our dyno challenge. Took me a couple swings, but we finally got it. I forget how many pulls it was, but it was a couple. But we wound up with 3,000 even, and now we are getting ready for sled pull. I don't know how long we have, but you can tell the guys are absolutely busting their butts back here. We're gonna get this thing all turned around. We do have to put a transmission in. I think this is transmission number 4. Torque converter is definitely not happy. No lockup. Rattling its ass off. So instead of going out there and just chipping out in overdrive, we're gonna try to swap a converter, or look at that, also swap to sled pull. And we've been here probably 30 minutes or so, and the guys are just tearing it up, man. We're welding stuff on. It's going nuts. We got a transmission department. We got Trent Owens melting pistons over here. Everybody knows him. Got transmissions. Transmissions on Rubbermaid tables that we rented. A couple little bacon sheets on them. Man, life of a Dodge guy, huh? We love it. We're in a really good position. Currently, we're still second. I think we're like 8 or 10 points behind Kenny and the Capital Diesel truck, who is right beside us, which cracks me up. They've been a wonderful neighbor all weekend. We've been running on their generator. Ours has been not here. But we did have to take a generator up for the dyno to get that thing running. They had a bunch of mechanical difficulties, but we got all through that. So we're gonna keep working, but next time you see this thing, it's gonna have 6 mud grips and a big ass weight box on the front. Y'all stay tuned. Appreciate the support. So we're all set. We're perfect. You don't see it? I'll show you. Hopefully she works out. How long do I get my reset for 75?
5 minutes.
Okay, I'll take it.
Okay.
case you're wondering, that's what sled pulling's like. Just tears shit up. But I would like to say thank you for everybody that's helped get me here. But that's it, she done. So that's how she goes some days. At this point, we're gonna see if we can get out of here or finish this bad boy up. That's all she wrote, and I'm just glad to be done, to be quite honest with you. So, guess we'll pack up all the trailers and head back to Texas. See you on the other side. We're gonna start preparing all these things, gathering all this crap up, throw it all in these trailers, all ass back to Texas. Transmission carnage. There's transmissions everywhere. See? Transmission galore. But we finished the event. And nobody can take that from you. We held our heads high. We held our own. Not bad for a bunch of boys from Texas that make their own motors, make their own engines, whatever, transmissions, transfer cases, turbochargers, chassis work, whatever. So it's a good time all in all. Wrap this up and start the journey home. So we're home, and we're here, and we're safe, and we're sound, and we're in one piece. We broke a lot of transmissions. That's the easiest way to say it. Just whole lots of transmission problems, like torque converters and cases, and I don't know, maybe a clutch pack or something in sled pull. It definitely let go in sled pull as soon as I got it wound up good. I don't even think it kicked the tires off of it. Sure am proud of my team though. We really pulled it off. It's amazing the competitors we have and how strong we held ours. That fender's definitely busted. Alright, we're gonna unload all this crap and then I'll talk to you on the inside. Alright, Kenny, this one's for you. Oh, the battery's dead. Oh, you got lucky. Alright, Kenny, this one's for you, take two. Man, those batteries are not happy. We're gonna try to start it for the third time just for Kenny at Capital Diesel. I just really like picking on him because he gave me that bad torque converter. She's so smooth. Yeah, she's still alive. Don't worry. This is where we're going to leave this video off. I just wanted to say thanks to everybody that's came together, that's helped make this happen. Obviously all the sponsors, Flex Diesel Injection, BD Diesel, OptiLube, Yukon, Valair Clutch, Small Dunes, Fast, Sancher, everybody. Y'all have all made this all possible and all happen. And we really appreciate all the continued years of support. And thank you for this weekend. We look forward to the next outing in this thing, and we got a lot to talk about, but we're gonna stop here. We're gonna get all this crap inside and then look forward to the next video. If you like what you see, let me know. Let me know in the comments whether they're good or bad. Everybody's gonna be talking about it, so like to it, subscribe it, and see y'all on the next one. Thanks.